So this entire area is going to be patio surface. There's the outdoor kitchen, and then there's going to be seating area. Over here we have the fire pit, and then ending with the therapy pool. So what Billy and Michelle have decided on for a paver is thermal bluestone. And it's got this grit, it's thermally cut, so the torch is applied to it and adds that grit to the surface, so it's not going to be slippery.
That's a perfect choice.
I think so too.
So our problem here is we have 3 different walls with 3 different doors. One on this side, and then 2 on the other side over here, one being Caffrey's door.
Okay.
And we wanted the bluestone to be flush with all 3 sides. And in a heavy rain, if we don't pitch this, it's going to come right back into the house.
Right. So the water needs somewhere to go.
It does. So our solution was a center drain.
Yep.
And you really can't even tell, but if you look over here, this is the height of the wood floor here. And the top of this drain is about an 1/8 inch per foot pitch.
Okay.
And that's perfect. All the water on both sides will come to the center drain and go all the way out to the end.
Okay, which brings me to this. So this is a trough that has a galvanized steel top. This orange line represents the level of the patio.
That's
so
right.
the level of the patio, steel grate, bluestone, all have to sit like this together, correct?
Correct, right on both sides.
Right.
Perfect solution.
So we have that steel grate that runs level all the way down, and below is a polymer concrete trough. And so each of these come in increments of 3 feet. And each 3 feet, they pitch 1/8 of an inch, right? So if you were gonna stick a golf ball in at the top, it would run all the way down, shed this way to this pipe, and then this pipe is connected to the drainage system that you installed previously out back.
That's right. But before we can even install drains, we have to get our total length, and in this case, it's about 38 feet. We give that information to the manufacturer, and they give us a numbered set. You really can't mess it up. So it's numbered 1, in this case, all the way to number 14. And we only have a couple more sections to put in, so let's get them done.
Okay, number 11's in, number 12's up.
All right. These actually lock together.
Yep.
And it's a dry fit, because concrete will actually be around the entire drain. And these are mechanical fasteners that are sitting on piers that were set earlier. And starting at number 1 all the way down to number 14, each pier is a little bit shorter than the one before it.
Got it.
All right, Fred's gonna come in behind us and start locking these together, and we'll set the others.
Sounds good.
All right, it's number 14, which was cut to length.
Last one.
And then we adhered a end cap on that a 4-inch piece of PVC elbow will go into, and it will connect into our drain system.
Perfect.
So we'll get this in place.
You got that?
I think so. You got that one?
Yep.
Perfect. All right. I think our work is done here.
Perfect.
Let's see if this works.
Yeah, I've got something for you.
All right, let me see.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, we're just finished up our drainage trough. You want to see if it works?
I hope it works. Yeah, sure.
That's not gonna roll down there.
Tell me, have a little
Too many
faith.
One putt, one
All right,
putt.
ready?
Go ahead.
Ooh, there she
Not
goes.
bad.
Oh,
See, I told you.
it's going,
Right, a
it's
little more.
going.
That's awesome.
That's
Bad.
perfect.
This is going to be a great patio back here. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.